What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is RobSolutely. It has been a little bit since I posted a video. First and foremost, I want to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. So we hit our first 1,000 subscriber mark, which I think is pretty awesome. I got some news here today. This is a brand new 2022 Ktm Rc 390. And this bike does replace my CF Moto 300 SS. So I'll show you the dash here. You can tell that I haven't even rode the bike because it is wintertime. I just picked it up here in November. You can tell that the date today is November 21st, 2022 when you look at the gauge, and it only has 0.1 miles. So basically it has the miles from loading it on the trailer and unloading it when I got back to my house. So KTM has some good incentives right now, end of year incentives. There's like a $500 rebate, and on top of that $500 rebate, they also have a $500 accessory rebate. So you can pick some KTM approved accessories, and I ended up picking the genuine Akrapovic exhaust slip-on that I'm going to be putting on here. So that was a little bit more than $500, but I just coughed up the difference. So I think it's a pretty awesome looking bike. It definitely has a different design than anything else out there on the road. My mirrors are in right now. They fold out here like that. Very simple to do. Has a really big windshield on it. That is supposed to help with aerodynamics. All LED lighting. So if you live anywhere near Altoona, Pennsylvania, give 5 Star Power Sports a shout out if you're looking for a new bike. I talked to a guy down there named Mike, talked to him on the phone first because they're about 2 hours from me. Asked him about pricing on this bike. I asked him a couple other questions. He knew everything that I had asked. He had answers to it. Gave me a good deal on pricing. And yeah, so everything just kind of worked out for me to get into this new KTM Rc 390. Look at these wheels. Still has the stickers on, like these things from the factory. So the bike is dirty right now. I got to clean it up. We drove it home in a snowstorm on a trailer, but look how lightweight those wheels are. Pretty cool bike. Still has plastic on here that has to come off. I do think I'm probably going to wrap this bike. I'm not a huge fan of the matte orange. I mean, I like the gloss orange. I'm not a fan of the matte and the orange side by side, but I'm working on some ideas right now to wrap the bike. It'll still be orange, but I think I'm going to change the look of it compared to what it looks like for factory. So it'll be a good winter project. So if you're into motorcycles or you're interested in wrapping a motorcycle, this bike will be a good reason to subscribe to my channel over the winter time. Hey, check out the seat too. This is like an Alcantara seat. It's so cool. I'll start it up here for you too. I mean, it's cold outside, but let you hear what it sounds like when it's running from the factory. It actually doesn't sound too bad. That's the factory KTM exhaust right there. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for my first 1,000 subscribers. Lots more videos to come. Have a good one. Bye-bye.